The U.S. Army's Aviation and Missile Center in Alabama has introduced a powerful evolution in man-portable air defense with the integration of ramjet propulsion into the iconic FIM-92 Stinger missile, under a project dubbed Red Wasp. This innovation represents a major shift in tactical missile capabilities, expanding the missile's operational reach and effectiveness in countering modern aerial threats like drones and low-altitude reconnaissance aircraft. First fielded in 1981 and famously used during the Soviet-Afghan War, the Stinger system has long been a symbol of battlefield flexibility. Now, as part of the Red Wasp initiative, it has been re-engineered to include a solid-fueled ramjet engine. This propulsion upgrade allows the missile to maintain sustained thrust well after the booster burns out, using atmospheric oxygen to ignite internal fuel reserves. The result is a significant range increase and improved engagement capacity against fast, distant targets. The upgraded Stinger missile maintains its shoulder-fired, infrared-guided heritage but now features dual propulsion. Unlike the original solid rocket design, this new configuration enables extended mid-flight energy and speed management, crucial for neutralizing threats such as surveillance drones and rapid low-flying aircraft. A successful test flight in 2024 verified this approach, highlighting its promise in redefining short-range air defense. Initial development began in 2022, with engineers overcoming early doubts about fitting ramjet technology into the compact Stinger framework. Working entirely within government labs, the team produced a functional prototype within 18 months. Ongoing testing at Utah's Dugway Proving Ground will continue into 2025, with upcoming trials focusing on advanced fuel compositions and thermal shielding systems. In terms of battlefield dynamics, the upgraded Stinger presents a major leap over other manpads like Russia's 9K-38 Igla and Verba, which still rely on conventional propulsion methods. The use of ramjet technology mirrors advances seen in European Meteor missiles and long-range systems like the AIM-120D, although Red Wasp operates in a much smaller, portable form factor. This enhancement comes at a crucial time, with the Pentagon increasingly focused on countering the proliferation of unmanned aerial vehicles and ISR systems used by adversaries. The Red Wasp missile offers the possibility of intercepting these platforms before they can gather intelligence or direct fire, especially in tense regions such as Eastern Europe and the Indo-Pacific. Strategically, the revamped Stinger may eventually replace its older counterparts across both U.S. and Allied forces. Its lightweight design and extended strike capability open new options for squad-level defense, reducing reliance on bulkier platforms like NASAMS or Avenger. This modular, scalable approach could shift SHORAD strategies across NATO and partner militaries. In Ukraine, the legacy Stinger has already demonstrated its value by bringing down Russian aircraft and drones. With the Red Wasp variant, defenders may be able to engage reconnaissance platforms operating deeper behind enemy lines, potentially disrupting artillery coordination and high-value targeting efforts. This technological edge could tilt battlefield control toward forces equipped with the advanced system. Ultimately, the Red Wasp program fuses decades of proven combat utility with the latest in propulsion science, breathing new life into a battlefield staple. As trials continue through 2025, the U.S. Army's in-house innovation may well shape the next chapter in portable air defense, delivering speed, range, and precision to meet tomorrow's threats head-on.